I want to separate data by some particular key value pair, and here I want to separate data with this one, date. uh, in Now we can separate data in a key value pair. Key act as a date and value, or the all the values of this object, array of object. So for that case, simply I take a array of object like id, content, timestamp, user. It's like a uh, some details related to social site, or like when you, if you're working with like some project, like when you make a WhatsApp clone or anything, then that case you your data your data come in this way. Okay, now implement the feature. This is a function. First, I want to separate by the date format and in ascending or descending way. So simply first what I have to, first I sort the data by date or timestamp. Sometimes it gives some error also, and I sort object dot object value of a and b and date. I get the value, I get the date of from a and from b, and compare. It is a simply JavaScript short method. First it compare the first and second timestamp, and it check which one is smaller or greater according to a minus b or b minus a, and sort all the values in this one. If you run this code, then what you get undefined because you don't return anything. And if you return this one, obj, then what you get values in a sorted way, I think. Yeah, 44, and this one is 43. This one is shorter date. So this give data in ascending order. This is a first step, and after that I want to group them. Group the object. I take a variable const grouped by date, and on object I run a function reduce, which take first as accumulator, and second one is current value or current object, anything. This is anonymous arrows function, and here I want that in a array, in a sorry object, then I pass braces here. First I get date as a key, current timestamp convert to ISO string. It converted as a string. Then run split method on a string. Split from t. After t, it get removed and get first index because split return the value as an array form. And check if not accumulator date key, then he has a empty array. And 4 after this one is for first values, and then after simply push the values push current one, and then return accumulator, and after simply return this one. And if first I clear the console, then run my code, then you check here the state and the state is come in a key value pair and in ascending form. So this way you can format or get a value as in ascending or descending value. I think this code is help you uh, in like in a messaging features, like if you want some, if you want uh, if you start implement a chatting app like WhatsApp or anything, and you want to get data, user data in a sorting way, like if you see on a in a WhatsApp that for today's message, message shows in a date wise, like for today message it's separated by today and for yesterday and so on. So there you can implement this feature.